Okay, YouTube, here's what we got. 18 volt cobalt set, brand new, discontinued battery. So I took my Dremel, cut it here and here, took my needle nose and bend it over a little bit. And then I'm gonna take these 2 nickel strips, bend them in half and solder them on there. And that will allow it to accept this battery, just like I did this drill here. And you can see it's not a perfect fit, but it works. So there's your solution. Hope it helps somebody. Peace. And one more thing, this stuff is very soluble. I just barely put any flux on it and it'll go right in. Of course, you want to make sure your positive and negatives lining up. Don't put the thing in there backwards. But for these particular cobalts, they do work with the new batteries that are like this. And you can actually buy these batteries for 10 bucks a piece right now at Lowe's. And I haven't even tested this one yet. I'm doing this one-handed, so. Okay, back, got it.